Hi, this is Karen from Ongoing Warehouse, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to use picking filters for planning your picking. Some of the filters I'm going to use are standard filters and available in all systems. Some of them I have added for the purpose of this video. If you want to add some of the filters to your system, just talk to your contact person at Ongoing and he or she will help you out. So picking filters are often used when picking with picking cards to filter out orders that should be picked together on the cart. You can, for example, filter out only articles with a certain article group and pick them together. But you can use picking filters when picking in other ways as well. You have filters, for example, for only viewing your pickable orders, or the non-pickable, or this one for only viewing orders with one order row per order. And if you select this one, you get a pop-up window when you have an overview of the ordered goods and they are grouped by the article. So in this case, I can see that I have 2 order lines, which means 2 orders since we only have 1 order line per order in this case. And in total, they ordered 11 of this long sleeve top. I can select only to view this specific article or to mark all of them to view the orders. So now I have my 2 orders that I've only ordered the long sleeve top. Another quite useful filter is the Move Pickable filter. If I select it, I find the orders that are not pickable at the moment, but if I move my goods from one location to another, they're going to be pickable. And this is often used if you have buffer zones where you don't want to pick. So here you then can find the orders that would be pickable if you move the goods you have on the locked location. In my case, I have locked the location A1, and I have locked it not for sales, because then your customers will not be able to place orders on them. I have only locked it for picking. And if I go to stock movement and move my goods from A1, and let's say I'm going to move it to B10.1. Go back to the order list and all my open orders are now pickable.